Hello everyone, welcome back. Now in this module we are going to look at the purchased product report. Now this report is really important for you. What this report tells you is, if you are running ads on one ASIN and customer have clicked the ad of that ASIN and instead of purchasing that product, they have switched to some other product in your catalog. And what are those products, how much of those are bought? Amazon gives you that data. Now where you are going to use that data, that is really important because I'm going to tell you that. Like, you have to come to this and then you have to download the purchase product report. Then make the date range as higher as you can select, or 60 days or 90 days based on your performance. Create run report. So this is how the report looks like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to create a pivot table on this. And then in rows I'm going to do advertise ASIN and then purchased ASIN and then total orders, total SKUs on the values part. The next thing that you have to do is, obviously you have to come to this designs, subtotal, do not show subtotals, or you can also have the subtotals. Then the layout, I'm going to make it tabular format. Okay, now it shows all the data. Now we need the subtotals. Okay, now subtotals are also showing. Now why we need this report? So this report is needed when you go to create virtual bundles. Now why this is so necessary? Because you need to use those to create virtual bundles. So while creating virtual bundles, we'll make sure to create group of 5 products in each ASINs. So how do you group the virtual bundles is by looking at the sales. So it is already proven that this product are purchased from this ad. Now we are obviously going to select those products which have got maximum orders. As for example, here you can see this ASIN have got 3 orders, this have got 2, 1. So we are going to select by orders the top 5 ASINs and use them to create virtual bundles. So that is how you are going to use this report for creating virtual bundles, and trust me, this is going to be the best virtual bundles that you can create. So here if you see, look at this one, we are going to select the top 5 based on how much orders that they have received. So we'll create for 4 orders, 6, 2, 5, 2. So we'll select the top 5 ASINs that have got maximum orders, then we are going to use them to create a virtual bundle. As you know, in virtual bundle you can go as max as 5 products and as low as 2 products. So this is how this purchase product is going to be used. You can also use it to create brand protection campaigns and display retargeting campaigns for brand protection. So these are a few examples where you can use this particular data, because it is already proven that the customers are buying these products from the product listing of this ASIN. So this is how you are going to use this particular purchase product report. Now moving forward, I am going to showcase a lot more reports and how to use them.